Welcome to this edition to Dr. J's Chiropractic Health and Wellness Tip. And today we're going to be discussing a very interesting condition which is known as sinusitis. And sinusitis simply means inflammation within the sinuses. There are many people who suffer from sinusitis, and this can prove to be quite debilitating when it is in the acute stage. The techniques that we use in terms of manual medicine when treating sinusitis are very, very powerful. And often with these techniques, we can circumvent and avoid having to use other more invasive forms of therapy. So I'm going to perform a demonstration as to what specific techniques are used when treating sinusitis. So we're going to get a closer angle of the areas that are usually most often affected with sinusitis type infections. So the sinuses that we can treat superficially with our hands are the frontal sinuses. The frontal sinus actually is found right at the top part of the nose, and this often can become very inflamed when it's in the acute stage of infection. And in this part of the face, we find the maxillary sinus. There are several other sinuses, such as the ethmoidal, sphenoidal, and mastoidal sinuses, which are not accessible superficially and are located much, much deeper into the skull. So a very powerful technique that's used is a maxillary massage as a person is taking a breath in. And this disperses fluid that accumulates within the maxillary sinus, thereby allowing for better drainage. And this instantaneously opens up the nasal passage. And then we move into the frontal sinus area as we stimulate the maxillary sinus. And this actually feels very good and clears the sinuses right away. And I can tell you that in the upper 90th percentile of the patients that I see with acute or chronic sinus issues, this specific technique helps them tremendously, and the results are often instantaneous. So this is a demonstration of how we use manual therapeutic protocols to treat both the frontal and maxillary sinus, and the results are amazing. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more amazing videos.